The iPad mini 7 has generated significant buzz recently, thanks to numerous leaks and rumors that have excited fans of Apple's smallest tablet. As Apple prepares for its upcoming announcement season, we're diving deep into one of the most highly anticipated gadgets of the year. After months of speculation, the iPad mini is finally set for a comeback, with a potential reveal happening soon. Here are 5 crucial aspects to know about the iPad mini 7. Before we get into the details, please like this video and subscribe if you find the information helpful. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you're concerned about your online privacy, check out CyberHost VPN. With over 9,000 servers worldwide, it provides fast connections and top-notch encryption for your data. Plus, it allows you to access content from anywhere. Use my link to enjoy 83% off and get 2 free months with a 2-year plan. CyberHost is your ultimate companion for secure and unrestricted internet access. First, it seems Apple will retain the design from the iPad mini 6, meaning the mini 7 will likely have a similar sleek and premium feel that users appreciate. The weight will remain around 0.65 pounds, and the magnetic edge for the Apple Pencil is expected to return, making the mini a great tool for sketching, note-taking, or browsing the web. While some hoped for a foldable screen, Apple appears to be sticking with the traditional design that worked well in its predecessor. One major issue with the iPad mini 6 was the jelly scroll problem, where one side of the screen lagged during fast scrolling. Apple is anticipated to resolve this in the mini 7 with a new display controller, although the overall display technology will likely remain unchanged. The Mini 7 is expected to feature an 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display with a resolution of 2266 by 1488 pixels. Unfortunately, if you were hoping for an OLED screen, it seems Apple will reserve that technology for its more premium models. For multitaskers, there's good news. Apple may increase the Mini 7's RAM from 4 GB to 8 GB, allowing for smoother performance when running multiple apps or memory-intensive programs. Rumors also suggest that the base storage could rise to 128 GB, an upgrade from the 64 GB offered by the Mini 6, aligning with Apple's recent trend of providing more storage across its devices. However, there's some uncertainty regarding the processor. Some reports indicate the Mini 7 will feature the A16 Bionic chip, while others suggest it might come with the more powerful A17 chip. The A16, currently in the iPhone 14 Pro, would provide solid performance for gaming and creative tasks, while the A17 would enhance capabilities for ID-driven applications. As for pricing, it's expected to remain at $499, matching the starting price of the Mini 6. Apple typically maintains stable pricing for smaller upgrades, and with the anticipated performance boosts, this price point represents a solid value for consumers, especially considering the rising costs of technology.